The opioid epidemic is affecting thousands of people across Ohio, including many right here in Franklin County. And to help find a solution, the Franklin County Alcohol, Drug, and Mental Health Board has come up with a safe and an easy way to get rid of any unused medication. NBC4's Tyler Carter has more on this new tool.
In 2016, more than 4,000 people in Ohio died of a drug overdose. Now, public health officials in Franklin County hope this little black bag can be part of the solution to save lives. This deactivation drug prescription bag is a new solution to a growing problem in Franklin County. This is the county's alternative to disposing of pills.
We heard a lot of people saying, what can I do to be a part of the solution? How can I help? And this is a way that people can help safely dispose of any medications that they may have in their medicine cabinet.
This is a part of the county's Opiate Action Plan. The Franklin County Alcohol, Drug, and Mental Health Board is spending $20,000 to buy 5,000 bags. By placing the pills into the bag already filled with a special carbon and adding warm water, it can neutralize up to 45 pills, 6 patches, and 6 ounces of liquid.
There's 90 million surgeries every year in the United States. 60 million of those people go home with an opiate. I would guess that a very high percentage does not take all those opiates.
Retired Franklin County Judge Scott Vanderkar, now Director of Advocacy and Reform, Addicts Parents United, was one of the first judges in Ohio to give addicts a second chance by creating a special docket relying heavily on treatment and services. He's seen many families torn apart because of this epidemic.
So if there's less pills out on the street, better off.
Now, tomorrow is the first day that these bags will be given out. The Franklin County Public Health Department is having a naloxone training in Whitehall. Anyone that attends can receive one of these bags. For more information, just go to our website, NBC4i.com. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Tyler Carter for NBC4.